Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing Blue Heart Slimes, and I got this package. The borax did leak a lot, but I got a bunch of extras. A thank you card, and then, oops, a lot of glitter. I didn't mean to drop, but a lollipop, some candies, and this cute little charm. And then a care sheet. Hold on a second. I ordered the lavender gummy slime. And it came in 4.5 ounce. So I can definitely smell the lavender in the slime. It smells really nice. I don't know how to drizzle very nice, but this is a super cloudy slime, and I really love this slime. I don't know how to drizzle very well. The slime was like so amazing. I can't drizzle the slime on camera so well. I just don't know how. I don't know. But I love the slime. I tried to drizzle it as good as I can. But believe me, off camera it drizzles so good. And I really love the slime. This was the best cloud slime I've ever seen. And I can't make cloud slime, to be honest. It fails. But this one was so amazing. I loved the scent. It smelled exactly like lavender, which smelled so soothing. And everything about the slime was amazing. I give this slime a 5 out of 5. Just the thing was, the borax leaked. They can improve it by just taping the baggy if you have that problem. But that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.